Okay, so my Whirlpool top freezer was making a loud noise, and it was coming from the back of the freezer where the fan is, and it's because there was ice hitting the fan. To remove this, there's 6 screws you have to remove, and if you take those off and you take off the ice maker, you can pull that panel, and you want to pull from the center bottom when you remove it by lifting up a little bit. Okay, so there's 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. If you want to get this thing off, then the hardest part is pushing the ice maker electrical clips toward the connector and pushing in. You have to make sure this light is over here before you start. It has to be in low. Then hold down the door button and the button up here for about 10 seconds, and you should see them all flash. Okay, now we're in service mode. So you'll see all these lights. Press this once. This puts it in cool on mode, so you can test to make sure the fan and cooling works. And you press again, it'll go to nothing. The second time you push it, this turns on the heater. This is the mode you want to defrost all the ice. And then once you're done with that, you can take it out of all the service modes by continuing to press the button until it goes back into operating mode. There you go. It all flashes to let you know it's exiting service mode. So now it's out of service mode. Make sure you're aware that water is going to fall down in the back in the drip tray while you're defrosting. So leave the heater on, and if you have that panel off, you'll be able to tell when the ice is melted. Thank you.